Dr. Suit is a system of systems solution for safe, efficient, and sustainable inspection of offshore wind farms. We combine an uncrewed vessel or a fleet of USVs with drones flying in swarm formation. They are operated from a command center, integrating drone launch and recovery and the Dr. Suit routing and scheduling algorithm. Ultimately, we aim to inspect an entire wind farm in one single day. In order to achieve this, airborne robotics are integrating sensors, SATCOM, and the swarming algorithm into our air-aid drones. Through the use of multiple sensors, we are able to accurately survey and document turbines whilst reducing human risk typically found in manual inspections.
The University of Portsmouth contribute to Dr. Suit by developing an algorithm for real-time routing and scheduling for drone swarm, and this will take into account the factors such as environmental factors as well as the physical being of the turbines itself. The University of Portsmouth also developed recharging and battery health monitoring systems, which are used to manage and monitor power consumption of the drones and sensors, including the electronic devices within the drones itself. The University of Portsmouth have employed several sensors, including multi-spectral, hyperspectral camera, to detect damage along the turbine blades.
Bentley Telecom have selected the most advanced iteration satellite-based services. A global network of satellites in low Earth orbit will provide advancements that include high look angles for maximised service availability and increased uplink bandwidth speed to allow high quality data transmissions, and the latency reduced by a factor of 10 to optimise BVLOS remote control.
Ocean Infinity are building the world's largest fleet of uncrewed surface vessels operated from shoreside remote control centres globally. We aim to provide remote turnkey solutions for subsea and topside application, and we aim to develop and integrate the LARP system enabling drone swarm BVLOS for offshore wind farm blade inspection. Compared directly with conventional inspection methodology, the OPEX costs are an order of magnitude less.